Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Today we are going to be making fried yam. As you can see, fried yam, potatoes, water, salt, and groundnut vegetable oil. That is groundnut oil. So I'm cutting my yam. The first thing and the main recipe is the yam. So I'm going to cut my yam. Don't mind me and the potatoes. I just want to add a little potatoes, so fight the hungry me, that kind of thing. So as you can see, I'm cutting the yam, and I'll soon be done. And I set aside the bowl and water inside, so that that's where I put my yam. Because if you don't put your yam inside the clean water, your yam and your potatoes will actually change color. That's why you see some greenish thing at the body, and I don't want that. I want my yam to be very fresh and good looking. I'm slicing my yam. This is how I like my. You can slice yours in any shape of your choice, but this is how I like slicing my yam. Very sweet. And my potatoes too. Please use your own method if you don't know how to use my method, but you can still learn from me. So my potato and my yam is already sliced. I've washed it and I'm adding salt, and I'm turning it. I'll turn it very well so that one side will not be tasting salt. And please do not add too much of salt. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put my frying pan on the fire. I'll put my vegetable oil, which is my groundnut oil, and I'll wait for it to heat up. Trust me, this yam is going to be very, very super delicious. You're going to cook it for your husband or your boyfriend this weekend, and I bet you they won't leave you. They're a good food. Now they make so as a woman they cook good food. Oh my God, man, they put them for the bright side of the heart. So our frying, my oil is hot, and I added my yam. And please do not add your potato. You know why? Because we are going to be using water while frying the yam. And potato, you don't need water to fry potato, but yam, you need water so that the yam will not get dry, to be soft. So I'm using the sachet of pure water I showed you as our recipe. So as you can see, I've added the water. As I add water, the yam will be frying and boiling at the same time. That will enable the yam not to be strong, and it will also make it to be sweet. So let's watch. Let's see. Some people will be thinking my yam will come out cooked, but look, my yam is fully fried. It's fried. So I have to turn the back of the yam so that the other side will get fried. And please, do not use too much water. Just little water, please. So I will turn it, and when I finish turning it, I will still add some more a little water. I'm going to show you the water the water that is remaining. Remember, one sachet. We're using one sachet, but just little. We're just using little from the water. Okay, we're using little of the water, and my yam will soon be ready. Our sweet yam will soon be ready. Boom! Our yam is ready. So let me show you the quantity of water that I use. As you can see, the water is the quantity is much. So this is our yam. Let's break it and see if my yam is done. So please, guys, try this recipe at home, and don't forget to like and follow me on my Instagram. See you.